Number 21. Which row shows a change that occurs during ventilation? So during ventilation, two things can happen: inspiration and expiration. So during inspiration, we take air in. So in order to do so, we have to make the thorax volume to increase. So by increasing the thorax volume, which is chest, so chest volume, the pressure automatically decreases. So bigger the space, less pressure. Okay. Then the air moves from the outside to the inside. So air outside the body is relatively low pressure than the inside the body. So air always moves from the high pressure to low pressure. Hence the air movement goes in. So this is not right. And this is of course not right. So expiration is the other way around. So by decreasing the volume, we increase the thorax pressure, the chest pressure. So the air moves from the chest to the outside, because the air outside is relatively lower. The pressure of the air is relatively lower outside the body than inside the body. Hence the answer for 21 is B. Okay?